Over in House 3 this week, tension has been building between Daniel and his plastering team led by Wilson.
This is a pressure cooker situation for all of us, especially for me, because I've got to manage my budget. I'm paying you good money to do it, and I'm not seeing you in that house.
Do you want to know the truth? And it doesn't really want to work in the house 3.
What we'll do going forward is we'll get the boys to continue on tomorrow, and then we'll go from there and see how everyone's feeling at the end of the week.
Yeah, that's right.
I'm just devo to hear that the boys don't want to work in there because they just, the communication breakdown.
It's now nearing the end of the week, and Wilson has sought out George for advice.
He told me on the Tuesday that he will see how we go. We'll finish them this week. And now it's not your turn to choose if you want to keep or not. It's my turn to choose.
What was Wilson saying to you about Daniel and Jade?
Wilson was just pretty much confiding in me. I think he was struggling over there. From what I've been told, more his workers were struggling over there, just always with what they're doing and stuff like that. So I think it was just kind of venting to me.
Look after yourself, mate. Yeah. That's all I say. Look after yourself.
And
go find someone else. Better for you, better for me. You come here, I'll look after you because you look after me. That's how you got to be.
It was a bit of a pig in the middle for me.
Yeah.
All I can speak on is my own behalf, and I've never had an issue with Wilson. It's actually probably the best gyp rocker I've ever seen. In my house, we're just doing things my way, and it's working. I don't know what they're doing in their house.
What happened on Friday morning with Wilson, the plasterer?
Yeah, so Wilson come in, we just finished all the plastering off. Caught me a little bit off guard.
Hey, Daniel.
What's going on, buddy?
Yeah, good,
Morning.
mate. Hey. Yes.
Freezing.
Just think about my boys is feel not comfortable working in the house 3. So yeah.
Which we thought that the other day.
Yeah. So now I think it's better with just leaving them. All my boys, when they work in the house 3, they feel all hard pressure in there, and it's very hard to work with. That's why we have to live in the house 3.
You've left here on good terms, mate, so I don't have an issue with that at all, mate.
Yeah, that's right. So for good for both of us.
Oh, good, mate.
No worries, mate.
Thanks, Wilson. Thanks, matey.
Cool.
Talk to you soon.
Okay.
Wilson's just come in and he said he thinks for everyone's sake, he said we think we should just sever the ties now. Yeah, I just sort of got the feeling that he didn't want to be in my house. Just unfortunately, sometimes teams don't gel, and unfortunately I feel that's what's happened in this instance.
But an hour later, Daniel is left picking up the pieces.
My plasterers decided to pull the pin this morning. They didn't quite get the job finished for me. Just got left in the lurch a little bit. I went looking for Wilson, but I don't think he's on site.